How to enable others to post on your timeline on Facebook app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to enable others to post on your timeline on Facebook app. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook application on your device. Log into your account. Tap three-line icon to access the menu section at top right corner. Choose Settings and Privacy, and from this expanded section, choose Settings. Scroll down. Now under Audience and Visibility, tap Profile and Tagging. At top, tap Who can post on your profile and select Friends next to it. Now, you have to choose the audience to friends, and then you will successfully enable others to post on your timeline on Facebook. That's it. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.